Oh, good, the extra's still there. I keep seeing that bike, and one time I went over there to check it out. I don't think it was stolen. I don't think it was stolen. It was more like I know there was a bunch of oil that's like on the ground, so somebody was probably just riding in and the oil just spilled all over. They had enough of that bike and just abandoned it. I think it was just abandoned. Because the keys doesn't, because the ignition doesn't look like it's been hammered with anything. And what else? Like the ignition has been messed with. The wiring is a little sketchy, but I don't know. I can't say for sure. This one? But I keep seeing that bike, and I think it's just abandoned. That's right. If we made contact with the owner of the bike, we're like, can I have it? It's a blow motor. That's fine by me. Oh yeah, so sorry if I didn't make a video about the other bikes and everything. I was with Amy and Patrick, and well, I don't know. It's weird because I've been seeing more and more stock Honda Civics lately. Like, it's getting interesting. Because before then, they were like nearly impossible to see stock Honda Civics. Oops. But I've been seeing them more often now, which is interesting. Oh yeah, so about my pet bike, yeah, I still have it. I still need to buy parts for it. So when I get paid, I'll buy parts for it. Don't worry, I will. And then I'll continue on with the series. It's only, let's see, some mounting powers. It's going to need new tires and inner tube, not lube, tubes. There we go. It's going to need inner tubes and a couple other things in there. Durable, it should be fixable. And maybe we'll do carburetor too, just maybe. In the face. I should back up a little more just in case. Like, just in case of a car or riding something over or whatever and it flies in my face. Good thing I was in by the shoulder and everything, you know. I don't know, fly through my face. It looks like a piece of foam. It's not gonna do much, but you never know what it could be. Going around. The person behind is like, what are you doing, my dude? I don't know. I'm just feeling goofy today. Because today is my Friday, even though it's a Saturday. I work on Saturdays. saw that on camera, but that truck over there, he decided he was on he was in that HOV lane, it looks like. It looks like it was the HOV lane, and he just darted up to this lane. It's like, Prius is going fast at the truck. Like, I'm barely gaining on him, doing 90. This is traffic speed on the left lane for the most part. If only lane split was legal, you could go, dude. I'm not going lane split, yo. If I was, I'd be already dead. Or I would have had already, so there it is. Not I am, but it's horrible. Oh yeah, I have a co-worker before, he was telling me a story. I think he was riding a Versys 1000. I don't remember what bike he was on, but on a lot of those sport touring bikes where they kind of like have the slit in the visor, in the windscreen, so they can pass air into your face. Well, one time he was behind a truck of some sort. Whoa. Hey. So he was behind a truck of some sort, and so what ended up happening was that some sort of metal rod or some sort, like a metal plate, went through that edge. I know, like all the luck in the world, like Jesus Christ. Went through that edge, and he was able to stop with his hand, but not only that, but it wedged itself in there too. So it happened to not wedge into the plastic of the windscreen. He probably lose his hand and his head too, literally. I'm not joking.